Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to play Catalog Avatar Creator in Roblox for the PS4 and PS5 versions. So yeah, let's get started. So the first thing you guys want to do is go to the search bar on the top right so you can type in the name of the game. And once you're here, make sure you are under experiences and not people. So yeah, go ahead and type in Catalog. Might take me some time because I'm using one hand. Yeah, Catalog, Avatar. Just type in Catalog Avatar, it should come up. Yeah, there we go. And go ahead and click X. It should be the first one, Catalog Avatar Creator by It's Munib. And yeah, so now we're in. And yeah, so that is how you play. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.